nanti kamu suka.
Udah.
My name is Dian Amanda Sari and my student number in 16 12 3050. Wajahku kelihatan kan?
Ya, kelihatan.
Next is the title and focus of the paper. This paper is titled Eco-Criticism in Modern Literature, Exploring Ecological Crisis in Roman Elms Leave the World Behind. It studies how modern literature discusses environmental problems and ecological crises. The paper focuses on the novel Leave the World Behind and explains how the story reflects human fear, environmental imbalance, and the fragile relationship between humans and nature through the lens of eco-criticism. Next. Next is the meaning of eco-criticism. Eco-criticism is a literary theory that studies the relationship between literature and the environment. It examines how nature is shown in literary texts and how human actions affect the natural world. Through eco-criticism, readers can understand environmental problems such as climate change and pollution by seeing how they influence characters and events in the stories. Then next slide. Next slide is role of literature in environmental awareness. Literature plays an important role in helping people understand environmental issues emotionally. Stories allow readers to feel fear, loss, and uncertainty caused by ecological damage. Writers use nature as a symbol to show peace, danger, and human weakness, making environmental problems more meaningful and real for readers. The next slide. Okay, next slide is the concept of ecological crisis. An ecological crisis refers to serious change and damage to environment that threaten human and animal survival. These problems include climate change, global warming, deforestation, pollution, and extreme weather conditions. Most of these crises are caused by human activities and poor environmental management, leading to unpredictable and dangerous natural conditions. Okay, next slide. Next is problem statement and research questions. The paper aims to explore how ecological crisis is represented in Leave the World Behind. It tries to understand what environmental problems appear in the novel and how the writer presents the crisis through events, characters, and atmosphere. The research also examines how eco-criticism helps explain the tension between humans and the nature. Next. Next is research methodology. The researcher uses textual analysis as the main method of the study. This involves closely reading the novel and analyzing important scenes, symbols, and description related to nature and environmental change. The theory of eco-criticism is applied to understand how the novel reflects ecological crisis and human vulnerability. Okay, next slide is the overview of the novel. Leave the World Behind tells the story of a family that goes on a vacation to a remote area to escape their busy life. During their stay, modern technology suddenly stops working, including the internet and phone signal. Strange and frightening events begin to occur, creating confusion, fear, and uncertainty among the characters. Next. Next is the ecological crisis shown in the novel. The novel presents ecological crisis through unusual natural events and environmental imbalance. Animals behave strangely, the weather becomes extreme, and mysterious illness appear. Floods and disaster are hinted at in the background. These events suggest that nature is disturbed and no longer stable, creating an atmosphere of fear and danger. Next slide. Next slide is eco-critical message of the novel. Through eco-criticism, the novel highlights how dependent humans are on technology and comfort. When technology fails, people feel helpless and disconnected. The story shows that humans often ignore nature until it becomes threatening. It emphasizes the fragile position of humans when faced the environmental collapse. Next. The last is conclusion. The paper concludes that Leave the World Behind strongly reflects ecological crisis in modern society. The novel uses fear, silence, strange animal behavior, and environmental disaster to warn readers about the consequences of ecological destruction. Through eco-criticism, the novel encourages awareness, responsibility, and balance between human life and the natural environment. Ini double, langsung ke thank you ay. Okay, that's all for me from me and thank you. Udah, Jelly.